Hey everyone, it's John Wright from Overlanding and Robotics, and today I'm hoping to show you a nice little presentation about how I modified my rack that goes on the back of the GX460. Normally it'd sit really low. That would be a problem when you're off-roading, because that could catch on something. So I thought, well, is there a way that I could raise that up and at the same time get it out of the way easily? Because I have if you have a GX like me, you have that barn door that kind of swings to the side, and that is problematic for if you've got gear on the back. So between a couple different parts here, okay, that have been modified, you've got a hitch mechanism where you can pull the pin, and now you can rotate it down out of the way. So now open up your gate and get to your gear. So I hope you enjoy the presentation. This is how it's made. Okay, so the last little bit of a challenge that we had with this design is that to kind of make sure that this rack stays up nice and tight. And the original design had a little threaded screw, okay, that you would allow it to tighten it up, but it would do it by pushing out the bottom, which would actually leave it in this position kind of crooked. So I tried many things, but what I ended up doing is going to Lowe's, and I found this little threaded knob. Okay, it's got little threads on the inside, and I got a 5/16 okay bolt and a flat washer and a little lock washer as well. I insert this from the back side through what was the threaded nut that was there, and then this actually clamps down upon it, and then it pulls the post out this way through the threaded what was the threaded bolt that's there right now, so it holds it back up. So I'm going to put that on there right now for you. It goes underneath. You see down here? Got it here. I got a hole that I had to drill in the piece, in this piece here. I'm just going to thread that on, get it started. There we go. And then I have to lift up, spin it on. Until you get that really tight. And there it is.